All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's class. My name is Kalabo Bekegwan, and today I just want to talk about becoming the best version of myself. Yes, becoming the best version of myself. So, how do I become the best version of myself? How? How? Like, how? So the first thing is to enjoy this phase of my life. Enjoying the phase of my life I am currently in. Yes, this is the best phase of my life. Like literally the learning phase where I get to learn new skills, new ideas. I get to try out new things that I've not done before. And also I have the opportunity to build my career as a civil engineering student. Yes, for me to be relevant in future, I need these skills. Skills like structural detailing, structural analysis, structural design, 3D modeling, how to use Excel to create formulas, and other relevant skills, other relevant software usage, how to understand what's going on site, site inspection, how to estimate and budget when a project is going on, how to communicate with clients, how to work as a team, how to read the drawing that was given by the what they call the architect and convert it into a structural drawing, and how to interpret that structural drawing to the layman, so the iron bender how to prepare a bar bending schedule, so the iron bender can be able to understand what is going on in the drawing. So I'm like a bridge that connects architectural designs, civil engineering designs, and the client together. And that stop where you stop to ask questions and get understanding and get feedback of what's going on in the project at each phase. I'll help you from the scratch, from gaining, from getting a land to clearing the land to total construction on the land. Whether you want to do a building project or want to do a road project as a civil engineer, or you want to do a water project as a civil engineer, it's my job to make sure that that process is seamless. You know what you're putting in your investment as an organization or as a firm, or even if you're the government, you know what your money is going into, how it's being spent, and you carefully be able to observe the whole process, because I'm going to be documenting every single thing I'll be doing on site and off the site. Yes, that enables transparency. Yes, transparency is key for clients' trust. You need to be transparent so your clients can trust you with their money. And once they trust you with their money, you will not feel that pressure anymore. So you'll be able to perform at your best, knowing that the client trusts you fully. So you'll be taking calculated risks, not just random risks. You're going to put in the best to get the best design anytime and anywhere. Civil engineering is a very interesting course because it brings out the creativity in you. Yes, they say the architects are like what they call the masterminds behind every civil engineering project. But let me tell you, if the mastermind is there and there's no body or structure to carry that mind, the mastermind will not function. So civil engineering is like the structural framework of the whole design. Yes, they help but to make that your design, that your dream come true by putting in the right structural members in the right position at the right time, and monitoring it, not just building, also monitoring the project and maintaining that project or structure so that it can last the purpose why it was built and for a long time. The project must be one, it must be safe. Two, it must be economical. And three, it must not just be anyhow project, it should be a unique project that is not found anywhere in the world, because you need to be unique. You need to learn how to design your own unique style. That's what makes you stand out as a civil engineer, because the general arrangement for from given by you will be different from the general arrangement given by another engineer. So you need to learn all these things. You need to learn how to what design, place structural members like the beams, the column, the slab, the foundation, how to design your foundation, whether you're designing for pad footing, for beam and raft footing, you're designing a pile foundation or any other type of foundation, you need to know what you are doing. You need to work with the BS 8110 or the BS 5950 with the design standards, so you'll be able to carry out the best design possible. So today I'm going to be showing you what it takes to become the best version of yourself. Yes, I wrote myself, indicating me, but you now you're talking about yourself. So let's put it here, your what? Self. The best version of yourself. How to become the best version of yourself. Yes. So to become a civil engineer that knows what he or she is doing, to become a civil engineer that understands what entire process of what you understand the entire process of what analysis, design, and detailing. Using what? Softwares. Using softwares. Using softwares. Using software. So this is my goal, to make sure that you become the best version of yourself and to become the best civil engineer that understands the entire process that comes with analysis, design, and what? Detailing, using what? Software. Because in this current century, which is the 20th century, technology has advanced so much that you don't need to use your hand or design manually. You just need to click a button on your system and everything will be done for you. But you can't do it without the understanding of the basic principles of design and the principles of analysis, the different methods to calculate for your forces, your moment, your shear force, your bending moment. You need to understand all these processes and how to detail. You also need to know how to what? Interpret drawings. How to what? Interpret drawings. Interpret what? Drawings. So when you learn all this, you will be what? Confident in yourself as a civil engineer, that you can handle any project, anytime, anywhere in the world. Thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Ask me any question you like in the comment section, and I'll give you a quick response. See you in the next video. Bye.